Second bit first problem, prove that 4 bracket of R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R3 into R1 equals to A plus B plus C whole square. Let's take the LHS. LHS equals to 4 bracket of R1 formula is delta divided by S minus A, R2 formula delta divided by S minus B plus delta divided by S minus B, R3 formula delta divided by S minus C plus R3 into R1. So 4, we can take the delta square common, so then S minus A into S minus B plus 1 by S minus B into S minus C plus 1 by S minus C into S minus A. So it is equals to 4 into delta square. Here we can take the LCM. The LCM is S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here S minus A, S minus B there. Then the remaining term is S minus C. So S minus C into 1 is S minus C. Here S minus B, S minus C. So the remaining term is S minus A. So here S minus A. Then here S minus B. So it is equals to 4 delta square bracket of, here S plus S plus S is 3S, and from these 3 take the minus common. So minus bracket of A plus B plus C divided by S minus A into, next to S equals to, the formula is A plus B plus C divided by 2, then 2S equals to A plus B plus C. Next, one more formula, delta equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. From this, delta square equals to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And this S transposed to left side, delta square divided by S. So substitute these values. So 4 into delta square bracket of 3S minus, here A plus B plus C is 2S divided by, here this value will be equals to delta square divided by S. So it is equals to 4 into delta square, 3S minus S is S into delta square by S will become S by delta square. So then delta square cancel. So then 4 into S square. 4 into S square means it is 2S whole square. But 2S equals to what? A plus B plus C. So that is why A plus B plus C whole square, it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. Second problem, prove that 1 by R minus 1 by R1 into 1 by R minus 1 by R2 into 1 by R minus 1 by R3 equals to ABC divided by delta cube. It is equals to 4R divided by R square into S square. Let's take the LHS. In this 1 by R formula is delta divided by S minus 1 by R1 delta divided by S minus A into 1 by R delta divided by S minus 1 by R2 delta divided by S minus B into 1 by R delta divided by S 1 by R3 delta divided by S minus C. So 1 by delta by S means S by delta, and it is S minus A divided by delta. Here S by delta minus S minus B divided by delta, S by delta minus S minus C divided by delta. So it is equals to, here delta is a LCM, then S minus S plus A, because here we will get the bracket symbol. Next to S minus, here also same, S minus S plus B divided by delta, and here also same s minus s plus c divided by delta. So it is equals to plus s minus s plus s minus s plus s minus s cancel. So a into a by delta into b by delta into c by delta. So it is equals to ABC divided by delta cube. So this is our required answer. Now we have to prove that delta r divided by r square into s square. So ABC divided by delta cube equals to, so we have a formula that is delta equals to ABC divided by 4r, then delta into 4r equals to ABC. So it is equals to delta into 4r divided by delta cube. So here delta will get cancelled. So 4r divided by delta square. 4r divided by delta equals to r into s is a one formula. So then r square s square. So this is our required answer. Third problem, prove that r bracket of r1 plus r2 plus r3 equals to ab plus bc plus ca minus s square. LHS. So r value is delta by s, r1 value is delta divided by s minus a, r2 delta divided by s minus b. Next to r3 is delta divided by s minus c. So delta by s, take the delta common. So 1 by s minus a plus 1 by s minus b plus 1 by s minus c. So delta square divided by s, here the LCM of all three denominators is s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Here s minus a, then the remaining two terms are s minus b into s minus c plus, so it is equals to delta square divided by s bracket of s minus b into s minus c means s square minus sc minus sb plus bc plus, next s minus a into s minus c, s square minus sc minus sa plus ca. Next these two terms, so all divided by s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So delta square divided by, here bracket of s square repeated 3 times, so 3s square. Next to here minus sa, here minus sa, so minus 2sa minus sb minus sb minus 2sb minus sc minus sc minus 2sc. Next to plus ab plus bc plus ca divided by, sorry here actually ca divided by, here s I am writing in the denominator place, so s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So it is equals to delta square divided by 3s square, take the minus 2s common, so a plus b plus c plus ab plus bc plus ca divided by, so it is equals to delta square. Now delta square cancel, 3s square minus 2s into, here a plus b plus c, actually s formula a plus b plus c divided by 2, then a plus b plus c will become 2s plus ab plus bc plus ca. Now 3s square, 2s into 2s 4s square plus ab plus bc plus ca. 3s square minus 4s square minus s square, so ab plus bc plus ca. First write the positive terms, next write the negative term, so it is equals to RHS. Fourth question, show that sigma r1 by s minus b into s minus c equals to 3 by r. So here sigma r1 divided by s minus b into s minus c. So let's expand the sigma. First r1 divided by s minus b into s minus c plus r2 divided by s minus c into s minus a plus r3 divided by s minus a into s minus b. After that, R1 formula is delta divided by S minus A. So whole divided by S minus B into S minus C. Plus delta 2 formula, R2 formula is delta divided by S minus B. So divided by S minus C into S minus A. Plus delta divided by S minus C divided by S minus A into S minus B. So delta divided by here s minus a into s minus b into s minus c plus delta divided by s minus a into s minus b into s minus c plus delta divided by s minus c, so s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So here we can take the delta common and all denominators are same. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So it is equals to 3 delta divided by s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So actually delta formula is under root s into s minus a by Heron's formula s minus b into s minus c. From this delta square divided by s equals to s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So substitute this value here. So 3 delta divided by delta square divided by s. So it is equals to 3 delta into s by delta square. Square delta cancel. So 3s divided by delta. But in the in circle we have a formula for delta, that is r into s. So s cancel, 3 by r. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. Fifth question, show that R1 plus R2 into tan C by 2 it is equals to R3 minus R into cot C by 2 equals to C. First LHS, that is R1 plus R2 into tan C by 2. So R1 formula delta divided by S minus A plus R2 formula delta divided by S minus B, and tan C by 2 formula is S minus A into S minus B divided by delta. So let's take the delta common and the LCM of S minus A into S minus B is their product. Now here S minus B plus S minus A and here s minus a into s minus b divided by delta. Here both terms are cancelled and delta also cancel. So 2s, take the minus common, a plus b. So 2s minus, so actually s formula is what? A plus b plus c divided by 2 minus bracket of a plus b. Here 2 cancel. So a plus b plus c minus a minus b plus a plus b minus b cancel c. So this is our required answer. Now R3 minus R into cot c by 2. R3 formula is delta divided by s minus c minus R formula is delta divided by s. Next cot c by 2 formula delta divided by s minus a into s minus b. So now LCM is s minus c into s and we can take the delta common. So then here s minus bracket of s minus c into delta divided by s minus a into s minus b. Delta into delta, delta square, and pluses minuses cancel, minus of minus plus c divided by s into s minus c into s minus a into s minus b. So delta square bracket of c divided by, it is equals to delta square. So delta square cancel, so it is equals to c. So this is our required answer. Sixth problem, show that R1 into R2 into R3 equals to R cube into cot square A by 2 into cot square B by 2 into cot square C by 2. First LHS, that is R1 into R2 into R3. So R1 formula delta divided by S minus A. But don't use this formula. We have a one more formula for R1, that is 4R sin A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. Similarly, R2 formula also 4R cos A by 2 into sin B by 2 into cos C by 2 into R3 formula 4R cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. Now what I am doing, divide with R3, divide with R cube. So then 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 divided by R. Next to 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2 by R into 4R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2 divided by R. So left side divided with R cube and right side divided with R cube, because here R into R into R is R cube. So it is equals to R1, what is that, R1 into R2 into R3 divided by R cube equals to 4R sin A by 2 by R formula is 4R sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into sin C by 2 into the second one. Here also R and here R, substitute them. So now 4R sin A by 2 sin A by 2 cancel. So then it is equals to cos B by 2 sin B by 2 equals to cot B by 2 cos C by 2 sin C by 2 equals to cot C by 2 into, here also 4R, yes, sin B by 2 sin B by 2 cancel. So cos A by 2 by cos A by 2 is cot A by 2, here cot C by 2, here 4R cancel, sin C by 2 sin C by 2 cancel. Now cot A by 2 cot B by 2. So it is equals to cot B by 2, here cot B by 2. So cot square B by 2 cot square C by 2 cot square A by 2. So it is equals to what, R1 into R2 into R3 divided by R cube. So now write the terms in the proper order: cot square A by 2 cot square B by 2 cot square C by 2. Now R cube transpose to right side, so R1 into R2 into R3, so R cube into cot square A by 2 cot square B by 2 cot square C by 2. So this is our required answer. Third bit, first problem, show that cos A plus cos B plus cos C equals to 1 plus R by capital R. So for the cos A cos B, apply the cos C plus cos D formula, that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 plus, so cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, then cos theta formula is 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So then at the place of cos C we can write 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. So it is equals to 2 into cos So actually sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So by 2, here by 2. So then A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equals to 90 degrees. So then A plus B by 2 equals to 90 degrees minus C by 2. So here 90 minus C by 2. It is equals to 2 into cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So sin C by 2. So first I am writing the 1. Next from these two terms we can take the 2 sin theta, 2 sin C by 2 common. So then here cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2. So sin at the place of C by 2 we can write as a 90 minus bracket of A plus B by 2. It is equals to 1 plus 2 sin C by 2 bracket of cos A minus B by 2 minus sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So then cos A plus B by 2. So cos C minus cos D formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. So apply this formula 1 plus 2 sin C by 2 bracket of, so bracket is not required because it is a product. So 2 into sin C plus D by 2, so that is A plus B by 2 plus A minus B by 2 plus A plus B by 2 whole by 2 into sin D minus C. So A plus B by 2 minus bracket of A minus B by 2 whole by 2. So it is equals to 1 plus 2 into 2 is 4 sin C by 2, and its total simplification is sin A by 2, and its total simplification is sin B by 2. So it is equals to 1 plus, let's multiply this term with 4 and divide with 4. Multiply with the capital R and divide with the capital R. So capital R I am writing here and here by R. So it is equals to 1 plus, this numerator is equals to exactly small r divided by capital R. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. Second question, show that cos square A by 2 plus cos square B by 2 plus cos square C by 2 equals to 2 plus R divided by 2 into capital R. First LHS. So actually we have a one formula, cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. From this cos 2 theta plus 1 divided by 2 equals to cos square theta. So apply this formula at the three places. So then it is equals to, here theta equals to what? A by 2. Then 2 theta equals to 2 into A by 2. So then it is equals to A. So then its answer is cos A plus 1 divided by 2. Similarly for this cos B plus 1 divided by 2, cos C plus 1 divided by 2. So here LCM is 2. So cos A plus 1 plus cos B plus 1 plus cos C plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 by 2 plus cos A plus cos B plus cos C and 1 by 2 right here. Now let's simplify this. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 bracket of, here cos C plus cos D formula, so that is 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 plus here cos C value is 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2, because cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, then cos theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So it is equals to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 bracket of, so 2 cos So actually sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. So by 2 by 2. So A plus B by 2 equals to 90 degrees minus C by 2. So then cos 90 minus C by 2. So it is equals to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 bracket of 2 cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So sin C by 2 into, let's write the 1 at the beginning. So 1 plus, and from these two we can take the 2 sin C by 2 common. So take the bracket. So cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2 bracket close. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 bracket of 1 plus 2 sin C by 2 bracket of cos A minus B by 2. So here sin, at the place of C by 2 we can write 90 minus A plus B by 2. So it is equals to sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So then cos A plus B by 2. So it is equals to, so here we have to use the one formula, cos C minus cos D equals to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Third problem, show that sin square A by 2 plus sin square B by 2 plus sin square C by 2 equals to 1 minus R by 2 into capital R. So we have a one identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. From this, sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So then here we can write 1 minus cos square A by 2 plus 1 minus cos square B by 2 plus 1 minus cos square C by 2. Here 1, 1, 1. So total 3, and take the minus common. So cos square A by 2 plus, so 3 minus its value we already proved in the second question. So observe the second question once. So its value is 2 plus 2 by 2 into capital R. 2 plus R by 2 into capital R. So then 3 minus 2 minus R by 2 into R. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus R by 2 into capital R. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. Next to fourth question. First problem, A equals to, show that A equals to bracket of R2 plus R3 into under root R into R1 by R2 into R3. So here I am taking the RHS. RHS equals to R2 plus R3 under root R into R1 divided by R2 into R3. R2 formula delta divided by S minus B. R3 formula delta divided by S minus C. Under root R formula delta into S. Here delta by S minus A divided by delta by S minus B into delta by S minus C. So it is equals to, we can take the delta common, and the LCM is S minus B into S minus C. So then S minus C plus S minus B will come in the numerator place, divided by here delta square divided by S into S minus A, and this fraction will be reversed. So then S minus B into S minus C divided by delta square. So delta square cancel. So it is equals to delta bracket of here S plus S 2S minus C minus B divided by S minus B into S minus C under root S minus B into S minus C divided by S into S minus A. So delta bracket of 2S, S formula is A plus B plus C divided by 2 minus C minus B divided by here S minus B into S minus C I am writing as a square root, and here whole square. Because square root cancel, then you will get the previous step. So now under root Now apply the square root for numerator and for denominator. Now what happened? This square root, this square will get cancelled. So delta into, here 2 cancel, a plus b plus c minus b, here divided by under root s minus b into s minus c. So here the denominator is 1 by under root s into s minus a. So delta bracket of here plus c plus b minus b cancel, a by, here the total denominator is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So delta into a divided by, it is a formula of delta, so delta cancel, it is equals to a, so it is LHS, so hence proved. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 bracket of 1 plus 2 sin c by 2. So here you apply the cos c minus cos d formula. So that is 2 into sin a minus b by 2 plus a plus b by 2 whole by 2 into sin a plus b by 2 minus a minus b by 2 whole by 2. So it is equals to 1 plus 2 sin c by 2, 2 into, here its total simplification is sin a by 2 and the second simplification is sin b by 2. So 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 bracket of 1 plus 2 into 2 4 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. So 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 multiply inside 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 4 sin a by 2. So here 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 simplification is 2 and here multiply with the capital R and divided by with the capital R. So 1 by 2 into 4 into R into sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 is small r. So divided by capital R. So 2 plus small r divided by 2 into capital R. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. Fifth question, prove that R1 square plus R2 square plus R3 square plus R square equals to 16 into capital R square minus bracket of A square plus B square plus C square. So here R1, R2, R3 are x radius, R is in radius, capital R is circumradius, A, B, C are sides of the triangle. So till now we used different formulas, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, next to a square plus a plus b plus c whole square. So to get this answer, I am using a plus b plus c minus d whole square formula. Okay, so that means r1 plus r2 plus r3 minus r whole square equals to r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square plus r square plus 2 bracket of r1 r2 plus r2 r3 plus r3 r1 minus 2r bracket of r1 plus r2 plus r3. Okay, so here is our required answer. To get that answer, we need these values. Okay, so in the same exercise we already found the value of r1 plus r2 plus r3 minus r is 4r. Next, in the same exercise, r1 r2 plus r2 r3 plus r3 r1 equals to a plus b plus c whole square divided by 4. So actually in the exercise 4 bracket of this equals to a plus b plus c whole square is there. So what I am doing, 4 I am transposing to RHS side. Okay, next to r into bracket of r1 plus r2 plus r3. So this question also there in this exercise. So it is equals to AB plus BC plus CA minus S square. So substitute these three values in the above formula. Okay, see here r1 plus r2 plus r3 minus r whole square, but its value is how much? 4r. Then 4r whole square equals to, our required answer is r1 square r2 square plus r3 square plus r square plus 2 bracket of, what is its value? Its value is a plus b plus c whole square by 4 minus 2 into r into bracket of r1 plus r2 plus r3. What is that value? ab plus bc plus ca minus s square. 4r whole square is 16r square. It is equals to r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square plus r square. Next to plus, here 2 ones are 2 twos are, then a plus b plus c whole square divided by 2. Next to minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca minus into minus plus 2s square. 16r square equals to 2 into, we know s formula, that is a plus b plus c by 2. So it here whole square. So a plus b plus c by 2 whole square. So here 2 into a plus b plus c whole square, and 2 square is 4. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are. See here a plus b plus c by 2 whole square. Here also a plus b plus c by 2 whole square. So then overall 2 into a plus b plus c whole square by 2 minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Then here 2 cancel and expand the a plus b plus c whole square. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Here plus 2ab minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2bc plus 2ca minus 2ca cancel. So then our required answer is 16r square. These three terms transpose to left side, minus a square minus b square minus c square. It is equals to r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square plus r square. So 16r square, here take the minus common, a square plus b square plus c square equals to r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square plus r square. So this is our required answer, hence proved. Sixth question, if P1, P2, P3 are altitudes drawn from the vertices A, B, C to the opposite sides of a triangle respectively, then show that 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 equals to 1 by R. So let's draw a triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, the vertex A opposite side is small a small b, here is a small c. Now from the vertex A, draw one altitude. So that is P1. So then area of a triangle denoting with delta, so it is equals to 1 by 2 into base. So base is BC, so that is A, and height means altitude, that is P1. Similarly, delta equals to, we can draw one more altitude from the vertex B, so it is P2. So then once again area of a triangle delta equals to 1 by 2 into base. This time base is AC, so that is small b, and its height is P2. Next once again area of a triangle, but now draw a altitude from the vertex C. So it is P3. Then 1 by 2 into C into P3. So from this P1 value is 2 into delta divided by small a. From this P2 value is 2 into delta divided by small b. And from this P3 equals to 2 into delta divided by small c. So now let's take the LHS. So that is 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 equals to 1 by P1 value 2 delta divided by small a plus 1 by P2 value 2 delta divided by small b plus 1 by 2 delta divided by small c. So it is equals to a by 2 delta plus b by 2 delta plus c by 2 delta. So then here all denominators are same, so then add the numerators a plus b plus c. So it is equals to a plus b plus c means it is we have a s formula, that is a plus b plus c divided by 2. So then 2s formula is a plus b plus c. So 2s divided by 2 delta, so 2 cancel, s by delta formula is delta equals to r into s. So r means in radius, so r into s cancel, so it is equals to 1 by r. So then our required answer is 1 by r. Second question, 1 by p1 plus 1 by p2 minus 1 by p3 equals to 1 by r3. So 1 by p1 means 1 by delta divided by 2 delta divided by a, 1 by p2 value 2 delta divided by small b minus 1 by p3 2 delta divided by small c. So then a by 2 delta plus b by 2 delta minus c by 2 delta. So it is equals to a plus b minus c divided by 2 delta. So we have a formula, that is s equals to a plus b plus c divided by 2. 2 into s equals to a plus b plus c. So 2s minus c equals to a plus b. So let's substitute this value. 2s minus c divided by 2 delta, 2s minus 2c divided by 2 delta. Let's take the 2 common. So s minus c divided by 2 delta, so 2 cancel, s minus c divided by delta. So s minus c divided by delta can write as a 1 by delta divided by s minus c. But delta divided by s minus c equals to r3. So it is equals to RHS. Third problem, P1 into P2 into P3 equals to ABC whole square divided by 8R cube. It is equals to 8 delta cube divided by ABC. First take the LHS P1 into P2 into P3. So P1 value is 2 delta divided by A. P2 value 2 delta divided by small b. P3 value 2 delta divided by small c. So it is equals to 8 delta cube divided by ABC. But delta formula is ABC divided by 4R. Substitute this value, 8 by ABC. Here delta cube means ABC divided by 4R whole cube. So it is equals to 8 by ABC into ABC whole square divided by 4 cube. 4 cube means 64 R cube. 8 ones are 8 8s are 64, and here ABC cancel, so ABC whole square divided by 8 R cube. So it is equals to RHS. And this value also we simplified here. So finally we proved the P1, P2, P3 equals to ABC whole square divided by 8R cube and 8 delta cube divided by ABC. Seventh question, if A equals to 13, B equals to 14, C equals to 15, show that capital R equals to 65 by 8, small r equals to 4, R1 21 by 2, R2 12 and R3 14. Capital R means circumradius, small r means in radius, R1, R2, R3 are x radius. First of all, let us find out the yes answer, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2, 13 plus 14 plus 15 divided by 2, 42 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 20 ones are. So S value 21. Next to S minus A. S minus A means 21 minus 13. So that is 8. S minus B, 21 minus 14, that is 7. S minus C, 21 minus 15, that is 6. Now let us find out the delta value. So delta formula is under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So under root s value is how much? 21. S minus a value 8. S minus b value 7. S minus c value 6. So it is equals to under root 21 factorization is 3 into 7 and 8 factorization 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, next to 6 2 into 3. So for every same numbers, every two same numbers, one number will come outside of the square root. Here for 2 sevens 1 7, for 2 twos 1 2, and here 2 twos 1 2. 3 sevens are 21, 21 twos are 42, 42 twos are 84. So delta value is 84. So capital R value formula is ABC divided by 4 into delta. So ABC 13, 14, 15, 2 sevens are 2, 2s are 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 3 5s are 3 4s are 13 5s are 65 and 2 4s are 8. So 65 by 8. Next to small r, so that is in radius delta by s. So delta value 84 and s value 21. 21 ones are 21, 21 fours are 84. So r value is 4. Next to r1, that is delta divided by s minus a. So delta value 84 and s minus a value 8. So 4 21s are 4 2s are, so it is equals to 21 by 2. Next to r2 equals to delta divided by s minus b. So 84 divided by s minus b, that is 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are, so it is equals to 12. Next to r3 equals to delta divided by s minus c. So 84 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, it is equals to 14. So these are the values we proved: R2 12, R3 14, R1 21 by 2, R equals to 4 and capital R equals to 65 by 8. Eighth question: if R1 equals to 2, R2 equals to 3, R3 equals to 6 and R equals to 1, so then prove that A equals to 3, B equals to 4 and C equals to 5. Here R1, R2, R3 are x radius and R1 R is in radius. A, B, C are sides of a triangle. First I am going to find out the delta answer, that is area of a triangle. So the formula is R into R1 into R2 into R3. So then R value 1, R1 2, R2 3, R3 6. So it is equals to root 36. So answer is 6. Next to he gave R equals to 1. So but R formula is delta divided by S. So R value given 1, delta value 6 divided by S, then S equals to 6. Next to R1 value given, that is 2, but R1 formula is delta divided by S minus A, it is equals to 2. Delta value 6, S minus 6, A value required 2. So do cross multiplication. 2 into 6 minus A equals to 6 into 1. So then 6 minus A equals to 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. 6 minus A equals to 3. 6 minus 3 equals to plus A. So then A equals to 3 is the answer. So here A equals to 3. Next to R2 value given, R2 equals to 3. But R2 formula is delta divided by S minus B, it is equals to 3. Delta value 6, S value also 6, B equals to 3. So 6 by 3 equals to 6 minus B, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So B equals to 6 minus 2, it is equals to 4. So B value 4. Next to R3 given, R3 value 6, but R3 formula delta divided by S minus C, it is equals to 6. So delta equals to 6, 6 minus c equals to 6. So 6 by 6 equals to 6 minus c. 6 cancel. 1 minus 6 minus c. 1 equals to 6 minus c. Then c equals to 6 minus 1. So it is equals to what? 5 is the answer. So C value is 5.